Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to use professional hosting a domain email with Gmail and Google Workspace? In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect your hosting a domain to Google Workspace step by step. First of all, go to workspace.google.com and click Get Started from the right side corner or from dashboard. Fill in your business name like online shop, employee, number of employees, then click next. Enter your first and last name, enter your current email address like that, then click next. When asked for your domain, enter one you purchased from hostinger like mybusiness.com. Click get new custom or click set up using your existing domain. Then click continue with this method and enter your domain here. Once your workspace account is created, Google will ask you to verify your domain to prove ownership. Here's how to do it. Here's how to do that in Hostinger. Go to Hostinger dashboard. Now log into your account with your login credentials like Google. Once you are in, copy the text verification record from Google, then go to Hostinger, then click Domain section from the left sidebar, then DNS. Click Add Record, choose TXT, and paste the values like this. Type TXT name or host at the rate value. Paste your Google TXT code here. Then TTL, leave default, usually 3600. Usually 3600. Click Save. Once verified, Google will guide you to set up MX record to enable email delivery. Back in your Hostinger DNS zone, delete any old MX records, then add the following new records one by one. For each record, type MX name @mail server, paste Google's MX priority as listed, TTL default. Once your records are saved, go back to Google Workspace and set up and click Activate Gmail. It may take up to 3 minutes to propagate and activation. And after activation, go to gmail.com, log into your account, new Google Workspace email like your name your domain.com and send a test email. You can now send and receive business emails using your domain or Gmail. And that's it. You have successfully connected your hosting a domain to Google Workspace in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.